Evans.
27 hearts beat!
Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna be installing some parts. Show you guys real quick. Oof. So here's the hatch. It's on jack stands right now, but I got me a few parts I want to install. I don't know if I'm gonna get this done today, but we'll try. So right here we got some 500 rated axles from Insane Shafts. They look pretty good to me. The guy that had it on his car barely had it on for that long, maybe less than 1,000 miles. Then right here we got some hard race traction bar that I'm gonna be installing. Really tight fit. I really need another person to help me out on this one because this bar is actually pretty damn heavy. And then I don't know if you could see it down there, but that is the K-Tune race spec shifter cables. Those are pretty dope because I will not be needing to use any tabs on my shifter cable, so it's gonna be super neat when I install those. Should be fairly easy to do, but I don't know. But I'm gonna get started on this. I think my brackets are somewhere down there. Kind of lost track of where I put everything because I was kind of mad because I couldn't get this bolt out last night, or not last night, but Friday night when I was trying to do this. But I bring out the big boy guns now. You guys can tell, got the snap on, got me this cheap toolbox, my Attack Life impact set, and some Milwaukee stuff, so if I can't fit this under there. So I'm gonna get started on this. Hopefully we make some progress, and I'll update you guys once I get these two 17 bolts out from underneath. See if I can show you guys. The camera's kind of small, but it's gonna be those two bolts right under on the front lower control arm. Is going to be those two bolts that you remove, and that's where you're going to connect the traction bar brackets onto. So I'll do the same thing on the other side, and hopefully we get this done. Also want to give a shout out to Gina's grandma for making me some food. Ooh, I haven't had breakfast yet, so this is going to be perfect for today. Alright, let's get this done. Alright guys, so I decided to pick up the camera real quick. Here are some updates of what's going on. So we got the traction bar on one side, or I got them on attached right now back there because I didn't want to take off the bars yet. I think it'd be a lot easier if I did, but I'm having some fitment issues right here. I think I gotta hammer it a little bit more, or just pry it in and just slip it in real quick, and that would be good. And I could put all the bolts on that side. Right now it's being held by two bolts over there, and that bolt nut right there, and the bolt nut over here. Pretty simple. I would show you guys how to do it, but there's a lot of videos out there on how to install these traction bars, so I'm not gonna do that. So almost done. I just need to find my pry bar, pry this side in, slide it up, and then I should be able to easily put these bolts on, which are 15 millimeters, and tighten it, and I'll be pretty much done with the traction bar. Then we can move on to the K-Tune shifter cables. And like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing the axles today or not, but maybe if I get some help, like for real, then I'll probably do it. Also, I gotta find this pry bar, so it'll make the job a lot easier, and I have no clue where the pry bar's at. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with this camera. It's not focusing on me. There we go. But yeah, I'm almost there. Probably pick up the camera and update you guys once I'm got everything put together, then move on to the next thing. Alright guys, so I'm working on the shifter cables right now. We got Zach over here working in the front, trying to loosen that up real quick. Also got the traction bar done. I'll show you guys that after I get these cables out from under and stuff like that. But alright guys, a little bit of update of what's been going on. So still trying to clean out my car. Shifter cables don't work because I don't have the bracket on the transmission. I thought it was gonna work without it. Apparently not. Now we got Brandon doing the axles for me. We got one side in so far. Also, if you can't tell, got the hard race traction bar on also. Brandon took out the immediate shaft already. As you can tell, this is stock. And there's the insane shafts, 500 rated. What's up, guys? So I'm not sure if I finished the last clip of what I was doing, but just to do a follow-up of what we did today. Install the hard race traction bar. It was pretty easy. I ran into some issues because I was doing it myself and it's pretty heavy, so that took quite some time, maybe 2 hours. Then after that, Zach came over. We did the K-Tune shifter cables, the race spec ones. Ran into an issue with that because they didn't want to go into gear. Found out that I can't use the OEM shifter cable bracket, and now I gotta order that to make that cable fit, or I just sell that cable. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet because I got a really good deal on it, but I could always just buy the bracket. It's not that much, and I have a $13 rewards points for it if I do buy it. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll just wait on that because my stock cables are fine and they're not stretched. So I might just buy that bracket for that. Then we got the axles and the immediate shaft installed. That was fairly easy. Brandon did all the work because I didn't want to do it. I was getting lazy because I was under the car like forever working on that traction bar. But also I didn't have the axle nut to take it off, so that was the reason why I didn't want to do it. But he was like, we might as well just do it because the car was in the air, so I was like, alright, let's just do that. And that's what we did. We got it installed. Hopefully the camera's on my head, not hella off, but yeah, got that done. Hopefully I got enough clips. If not, my bad. I didn't want to get the camera dirty, so I was in the car most of the time when I was filming. So yeah, but hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully you guys like the camera. I'm loving it right now. I like how it's like a gimbal and it's really smooth and transitions and moving around. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Shifting like really tight and precise if you want. If you would like to have like zero slack in your cable.
So what do I do with all these?
All what?
It's the same thing, right?
Yeah, it should plug right in.
You probably got a laptop or no? Me? Yeah. No.